In order to effectively manage your time and remain productive, it is important to understand the essence of time management. One definition of time is that time is a continuum in which events succeed one another from past through present to future. If you consider that definition, then the basic element of time is not a second or a minute or an hour or a day. The basic element of time is an event. Everything you do in your life is an event. Everything you do for your academics, for your extracurricular activities, for your job, for your internship, for your research, for your clubs and organizations, for your family, for your social life, and for your other obligations is an event. Every time robber is also an event, whether it is a time robber over which you have control or a time robber over which you have no control. The sum total of all those events comprises your time. So, if the basic element of time is an event, the key to managing time is event control. In other words, in order to manage your time, you must control the events in your life. If you fail to control the events in your life will control you. You can probably relate to how that feels. You feel like you cannot get anything done, like you are running from one event to another, and like you are not being productive. You feel stressed out, overwhelmed, and worn down. It is not a good feeling. The key is to be proactive and to practice the strategies described in the videos on this playlist in order to take control of the events in your life, to prevent the events in your life from controlling you, and to effectively manage your time and remain productive in all your tasks, responsibilities, and obligations.